deleting all users from the SecuRam ECSL-0601A-L02 Keypad. To delete all users from this keypad, including user 1 and user 2, what you need to do first is go ahead and log in using a manager code, either with user ID position 1 or 2. We'll log in with position 1 today. ID 1 verified. Once the screen goes to read Select Menu, at that point go ahead and scroll down until Delete All Users is displayed on the screen, then hit the OK button. Delete all OK, hit the OK button. This will delete all users. Once the select menu fades, we'll go ahead and try logging back in, and we'll see that even the user 1 position code has been deleted. The code is now invalid. We'll try using the new default combination, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we'll find we can now log in as user ID 1. This is the only code now existing in the keypad. You'll have to begin setting up your users all over again.